Healthy eating takes a lot of work and time, from meal planning and grocery shopping to prepping and cooking. It's not easy, and that's exactly why meal kit delivery services have become so popular. What's up, everyone? Today we're going to check out two very different meal kits, Home Chef and Dinnerly. One's all about chef-inspired meals that make cooking at home easy and enjoyable, and the other is focused on keeping things super affordable. I'm going to walk you through everything from unboxing and prep to pricing and customization. So by the end of this video, you're going to know which one is really worth your time and money. Let's get into it. Now, first up is Home Chef. So they are built around one main idea, making mealtime simple, delicious, and tailored to your life. They handle the planning, shopping, and portioning so you can focus on cooking without feeling stressed or rushed. For busy professionals or families, that's a big time saver. You can reclaim a few hours each week for yourself, your family, or just to relax. Their audience is anyone who wants quality meals without sacrificing convenience. That includes seasoned home cooks who want a little guidance, students or new cooks who need accessible options, and families who want kid-friendly meals that don't compromise on flavor. Home Chef also leans on smart partnerships like collaborations with Gordon Ramsay and Ayesha to add culinary credibility, while fun tie-ins like SpongeBob show they understand family dynamics. It's all about making meals approachable, enjoyable, and versatile for different needs. The experience starts with a personal touch. When you sign up, you take a taste profile quiz that does ask about dietary preferences, cooking habits, and any ingredients you want to avoid. This helps the service recommend meals that actually fit your taste from the start. Now, opening a Home Chef box feels organized and thoughtful. Ingredients are pre-portioned and grouped by recipe in clearly labeled bags with meats packed safely between ice packs. It may sound small, but this organization drastically reduces prep time and your mental effort. By removing the thinking and sorting, Home Chef makes cooking feel effortless even after a long day. Now, once your ingredients arrive, the system guides you through cooking with step-by-step recipe cards. Some meals take 15 minutes, while others are about 45 minutes. And whether you want something fast and easy or a more ambitious restaurant-style meal, Home Chef gives you options that fit your schedule and your mood. Now, they are very flexible and easy to adjust your needs. You can choose between the standard plan or a family plan, decide how many meals and servings you want each week, and even swap proteins with their Customize It feature. You want shrimp instead of chicken or plant-based instead of beef, you can make it happen. There's a wide menu of over 35 meals each week, and the service offers different formats depending on how much time and effort you want to spend cooking. Some meals are fast and fresh, ready in just 15 minutes, while others, like the Culinary Collection, give you a restaurant-quality experience at home. There are also oven-ready options for minimal assembly and fully no-cook meals if you just want something quick. Now, on top of that, Home Chef has a marketplace where you can add desserts, breakfast items, or extra proteins to round out your box. Prices start around $10 per serving, with shipping around $11, which is higher than the budget options. But when you consider the convenience, quality, and flexibility, it's easy to see why many people feel it's worth it with the cost. And if you want to get started with a healthier diet from Dinnerly or Home Chef, check out the affiliate link in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. Now let's talk about Dinnerly, because they are all about keeping things simple and affordable. Their main goal is to make home cooking accessible to anyone without breaking the bank. Unlike Home Chef, they don't try to wow you with fancy recipes or celebrity partnerships. Instead, they focus on cutting costs wherever they can. Fewer ingredients, minimal packaging, and no flashy marketing, so they can pass those savings straight to you. Their audience is pretty clear: students, young families on a budget, or anyone who wants a low-cost way to cook at home. Dinnerly is perfect for households that need to keep weekly food spending low, and their family-friendly flavors make it easy to appeal to kids and picky eaters like myself. Essentially, you know going in that you're trading some convenience and polish for the lowest price possible, and that's the deal they're making with you. Getting started with Dinnerly is straightforward. You pick your plan, 2 or 4 people, and choose a number of meals per week. You can also set broad preferences like vegetarian or picky eater approved, which helps narrow down the menu, but you still have access to everything they offer each week. The unboxing experience is where Dinnerly really shows its budget-focused approach. Ingredients arrive loose in a box, not pre-sorted by recipe. That means it's up to you to organize everything before you start cooking. The recipes themselves are minimal, usually just text instructions, sometimes condensed into 5 simple steps. There aren't any step-by-step photos like Home Chef, so you need to pay attention as you go. It's not difficult, but it does require a little more effort and patience, especially for beginners. Essentially, Dinnerly keeps the price low by passing some of the work onto you, both in prep and in cooking. Now, Dinnerly really shines on price. Their largest plan, 6 meals per week for 4 people, comes in at just under $4 per serving. Smaller plans cost a bit more, but even the lowest tier options are cheaper than most other meal kits. Shipping is a flat $11, which can feel like a chunk on smaller orders, but it keeps the whole cost predictable. Their weekly menu is huge, over 100 options, but most recipes are simple, built around 5 to 7 main ingredients and designed to be ready in about 30 minutes or less. There are a few protein swaps and some dietary options, but customization is very limited compared to Home Chef. Ingredient quality can also be inconsistent. Proteins are usually good, but produce freshness can vary, and sometimes items arrive damaged or missing. To make up for that, Dinnerly has a market section where you can add extra groceries, snacks, desserts, or ready-to-heat meals, which is a nice bonus if you want to cover more of your weekly shopping all in one box. When we put Home Chef and Dinnerly side by side, the differences are pretty clear. Home Chef is all about convenience, customization, and quality, while Dinnerly is focused on affordability and keeping the weekly cost as low as possible. Now, with customization, Home Chef takes the lead. Their Customize It feature lets you swap proteins, double up, or upgrade most meals, so you're really in control of what you're eating each week. Dinnerly lets you make a few swaps, but it is far more limited. Now, when it comes to ingredient quality, Home Chef is genuinely consistent with fresh produce and USDA inspected proteins. Dinnerly can be hit or miss. Proteins are usually fine, but reviews show occasional freshness issues or just missing items, which is just part of how they keep the cost down. Now, convenience is another big difference. Home Chef delivers ingredients pre-portioned and sorted by recipe, cutting prep times and mental effort. Dinnerly, on the other hand, sends everything loose in the box, so you spend extra time organizing before you even start cooking. Prep time itself is also more varied with Home Chef. You can grab a 15-minute fast and fresh meal or a 45-minute culinary collection dish depending on your schedule. Dinnerly keeps most meals under 30 minutes, but there's less flexibility and variety in cooking effort. Recipe instructions follow the same pattern. Home Chef gives you glossy step-by-step cards with photos, difficulty ratings, and tips, while Dinnerly's cards are simple, text-only guides. They get the job done, but they don't provide the same level of confidence, especially if you're newer to cooking. Now, meal variety is interesting. Dinnerly actually has a bigger raw number of options each week, over 100, but they are mostly simple, familiar dishes with few ingredients. Home Chef has fewer options, around 35, but the variety extends to prep style, difficulty, and formats, giving you more ways to tailor the experience to your week. Finally, pricing. Dinnerly wins hands down. If you're purely looking at cost, prices start around $4 per serving with a flat $11 per shipping. Home Chef starts at $10 per serving plus $11 shipping. So if money is the only factor, Dinnerly easily wins. But if you consider overall value, the time saved, ease of cooking, quality of ingredients, and customization, Home Chef comes out ahead. So here's the deal. Dinnerly is a clear choice if your main goal is to spend the least amount on meals each week. It's cheap, simple, and gets dinner on the table. But that lower price comes with trade-offs, more prep work, less guidance, and occasional quality inconsistencies. Home Chef, on the other hand, is an investment in a smoother, more enjoyable cooking experience. You're paying a bit more, but in return, you get well-organized ingredients, reliable freshness, step-by-step recipe guidance, and the ability to customize meals exactly how you want. That means less stress, less wasted time, and a better end result on your plate. Put simply, if you want the full meal kit promise, convenience, quality, and consistency, Home Chef wins. Dinnerly is great for those watching every dollar, but Home Chef delivers a more satisfying, reliable, and flexible experience from box to table. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And if you want to get started with a healthier diet from Dinnerly or Home Chef, check out the links below, where sometimes we offer special discounts that you will not find if you go directly to their website. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. And if you have any questions, then just leave them down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.